So this is to make a three-dimensional box, and you can create a pattern shape, different shapes on it, organic shapes, however you feel, and then you can also color it in, or you can have it in pencil or black marker, however you would like it. So first of all, you're going to use poster board. It works the best. It's a sturdier paper, but if you don't have poster board, a heavier weight paper will work too. So, and we're going to start with that, and then you're going to have your template. And you're going to place it on here. And then you're carefully going to draw around the template. Just double check, make sure you have everything. Okay, so next of all, I'm going to take a ruler and I'm going to line up to the flap. To the other side. Pretty evenly. Okay, so it's close to 4 by 4. And you can just double check too. So it should be like 4 by 4. And you can draw little lines for your box to get it. Marks. Where they should line up equally to the lines running across. Much. And there's your template. Now before you start creating your pattern, you can either cut this out ahead of time or wait till you're done with your pattern. Alright, so I already have part of my designs done, and now I am just taking a marker and I am going to be coloring on it. And you can use colored pencils, you can use crayons, you can use just a pencil, however you want to do it. Here is a finished project, but I wanted to give you an idea how else to make some shapes where you can take some masking tape and run it different directions. And then you could paint or color it doesn't matter what angle you go to. So that gives you an idea of something, and then you can color in with a Sharpie or marker or paint that area. And here is one done like that. So now you can assemble this. All right. So to make it easier, I have drawn a line on my flaps on the back side, so I know where to fold. It just helps because you're going to fold in on the back side. Alright, so what I have found it works the easiest, take an X-Acto knife and lightly score. It just helps to bend that up. And this is something an adult should do so you don't cut yourself. Double-sided tape would probably work too, to stick it together. Now, when you're assembling this, you don't want to put it all together and then glue it because it doesn't hold still for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to glue one side.